Oyster is a powerful platform designed to make global hiring easier and more efficient. If you're looking to hire talent from anywhere in the world, Oyster can simplify the entire process, from onboarding to compliance. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to use Oyster for global hiring, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use this software to build your international team effortlessly. First off, Oyster is perfect for companies who need to hire employees across multiple countries but don't want the hassle of setting up local entities. It offers a global employment solution that takes care of everything from payroll to benefits to legal compliance, no matter where your employees are located. And the best part? You can use this software for free by clicking the first link in the description below and accessing our exclusive bonuses, which gives you extra benefits that you won't find anywhere else. When you sign up for Oyster, the first step is to create your account and select the countries where you're planning to hire. Oyster supports over 180 countries, making it ideal for businesses with a truly global reach. Once your account is set up, you can start creating job listings in any of these countries and begin reviewing applicants right from the platform. One of the standout features of Oyster is its ability to handle legal compliance. Hiring globally can be tricky because each country has its own set of employment laws, taxes, and regulations. Oyster takes all of this off your plate. It ensures that your contracts are compliant with local laws, your employees get the right benefits, and that all tax requirements are met automatically. Next, let's talk about onboarding. Oyster makes it easy to bring new hires on board, no matter where they are located. You can send out digital contracts, collect all the necessary paperwork, and handle everything remotely. Plus, Oyster integrates seamlessly with tools like Slack, so you can start collaborating with your new hires right away. As for payroll, Oyster offers a streamlined solution that ensures your employees are paid on time in their local currency, with all taxes and deductions automatically handled. This is crucial for maintaining employee satisfaction and trust, especially when you're hiring across multiple countries. Oyster also offers benefits packages, which vary based on the country your employees are in. The platform allows you to offer competitive benefits, packages that are compliant with local standards, ensuring that your employees feel valued no matter where they are. Another great feature is the reporting tools Oyster provides. It gives you a clear overview of your global workforce, showing you how much you're spending on salaries, taxes, and benefits in each country. This makes it easier to manage your finances and ensure that you're staying within budget while expanding your team. Now here's the bonus. Oyster offers an exclusive, extended free trial to anyone who signs up through the link in the description. This gives you more time to test out the platform and really get a feel for its features without any risk. In conclusion, if you're looking to scale your team globally, Oyster is an excellent tool that simplifies the process of hiring, onboarding, managing payroll, and ensuring legal compliance. With its ability to handle all the complexities of international hiring, you can focus on growing your business while Oyster takes care of the rest. Don't forget to check out the link below to access Oyster for free with exclusive bonuses, and make sure you take advantage of that extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your global hiring journey.